Today I want to share to you about how to make the villa rooftop with bar and lounge and also the swimming pool. And this is the process of 3D model of me about the 3D modeling villa, and I speed up it from around 50 minutes into the around 8 minutes. Okay, and this is about the 3D modeling process. I choose the rectangle to make the basic slab in here, and I fill with the dimension in here around, and I rotate and duplicate it into the multiple slabs in here, and I show the dimension also in here. Okay, and after that I make the rectangle in here to make the wall and also the glazing system in here, and then push it up in here, and then I show the dimension and duplicate about the walls itself, and I make again about the walls in here and make the dimension and duplicate the wall to the vertical. And so this is the L shape meshing in here, and I make the openings in here to fill with the glazing in here, and this is about the openings again in here, and I adjust about the openings, and we can make the line in here and make the line in here with the angular line in here, and then I push it up in here and right click and make group, and I make the elbow line in here to make the corner window in here, and duplicate again, duplicate it up, and then I fill with the dimension in here. I add the dimension, then I now assign with the materials with using the glazing materials and divide the materials into the several parts in here or several segment in here, so it could be like a representative in here. And so this is about the dividers of this wall and also the windows in here, and then I make the baseline and I adjust about the landscape in here, and I fill with the dimension in here, and then after that I adjust about the sky and also the ground background in here, and I make the swimming pool, and I decide with the infinity pool swimming pool concept in here, and I assign with the water materials in here, and again in here, and assign with the decking in here, and assign with the concrete materials in here on the bottom. Okay, and I make the dimension again, and I fill with the stair steps in here for the landscaping steps, and I duplicate the stair steps, and I adjust about the landscape position in here just like this. Okay, so this is about the main access of this villa site in here. So the another step I assign with the materials, especially for the stairs in here, and I check and recheck again about the meshing concept, and I explore about the 3D model, and I add the cantilever or the on the left wings meshing of this building, and I add meshing again on the third floor in here, and I add like steel beam in here, and I make the column in here. I make the column system over there in here to make the strengthen of this beam in here, and I duplicate about the support of the column in here just like this. Okay, and then I adjust about the position in here. Okay, and after that I still explore about the side in here, and I make the diagonal meshing in here. Okay, and I make group, and I make the support in here on the center in here. I make the support on the center, and I imagine that there is a diagonal swimming pool in here. So the swimming pool, it's not only conventional shape in here, it's not a rectangle, but it's a trapezoid swimming pool in here. I actually like to explore about the swimming pool design in here. So the edge of the swimming pool, it could be a party in here, a party area, barbecue, and lounge in here. This is a lounge in the ground, but on the rooftop I also add the rooftop lounge and bar on the rooftop also in here, and I assign about the marble materials in here on the several parts of this building in here, and I assign again about the glazing system in here on the third floor or third meshing in here. So then for the another meshing, okay, just like this, and I adjust about the meshing again in here. I adjust about the meshing in here, and I divide, okay, about the parts in here. I divide into the several parts, and I just place the position in here. Okay, and after that I make the glass railing in here to make the barrier, because the barrier is important for the safety, and for the height of this barrier is around 1.2 meter approximately, and also the another sky lounge rooftop barrier in here with the glazing around 1.2 meter approximately, and I divide into the several parts in here, and I divide into the several parts on the another wings of this fence railing in here. Okay, and then I also explore more again about the additional landscape in here, like a greenery and or combination between the greenery and also the pool deck system in here. Okay, and after that I look around again about the connection, about the simple connection concept in here between the steel and also the concrete in here, and I add the several dimension of the progress of the current progress in here. And after that I look around again to explore the landscape in here, because I think that landscape it's not enough in here, but I have the initiative to make the another outdoor garage system in here. I make like a portal garage in here to be placement of the vehicle, but it's not only one vehicle, it's for several vehicles concept in here. Okay, and I make the contour manually in here with the box or rectangle in here or 3D object. I make the contour manually in here, and I assign about the materials with the greenery, with the green landscape in here. And after that I explore more again about the another side of another barrier in here, and I make the customized line in here to make it more representative with the actual in here. Okay, and after that I, as usual, I assign about the greenery in here. Of this position, and I assign about the landscape materials in here, and I put about the extension of the landscape in here. So the landscape on this side of the swimming pool is extended with the design in here, and I make the gutter system for the overflow of the swimming pool in here, because it's very important for the system of the overflow the swimming pool itself in here. Okay, and after that I explore more about the materials, especially on the third floor meshing in here, and I put the outdoor dining table in here with the built-in umbrella in here, and I put the another vegetation in here, and I adjust with the small plants in here to add the context, to add this side or landscaping in here, and I try to make it more organic size in here, so it could be look like natural in here, so it could be look like natural. Okay, and after that I look around again, I make the filling in here, so I feel that it's need another landscape elements like a vegetation in here, or tree or plants in here, and I'm put the placement of this vehicle landscape in here, and I make the another access of this stair step in here with the side access in here for the user, so the user can easily get access from the vehicle garage into the another access, into the nearest access in here from there in here. And that's all of this 3D modeling process, and I put the shadow, and this is about the result about the 3D modeling conceptual. This is very basic, so if you have any idea about this design or you have any improvement concept, you can explore with this basic model. And I have already put the dimension on this 3D model system in here, and if you interest to get the 3D model object in SketchUp, this basic 3D model, you can see about the description. Thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial.